Yikes! College is coming, and it's all about the kid that leaves for college. But what about the parents? What do we do? What are we supposed to bring? What are we supposed to expect? And what are we supposed to do as parents, especially parents of our very first kid leaving for college? My name is Tammy, and I'm here at Family of Purpose, and this is College Readiness number 4 in a 4-part series. I'm here today to share with you about what my friends have shared with me that have gone before us on what to expect. I don't like the unknown, and I want to know as a parent, especially when I don't know what to expect. So I'm here to tell you what to bring from, according to my friends that are experts, what we plan on bringing when we take our son up to college in 30 short days. Number 1, do not forget the cleaning supplies. That is super important. Bring cleaning supplies on move-in day. They say it's clean, but you know, is it mom clean? Cleaning supplies are a must. 2, trash bags, trash bags, trash bags. Bring a whole brand new Costco box and keep them there if you want. You will need trash bags. Number 3, a door stopper. This may sound crazy, however, I kid you not. One of my good friends last week, my best friend, texted me this text. She was moving her daughter out of college and she said, "Do not forget a door stopper," with tons of exclamation marks behind it. Okay, so door stopper is on our list. The 4th one is a homemade playlist. Whoever is the music fan in your family, have them make a playlist so that when you're moving your son or daughter into college, you have a fun playlist to play and listen in the background. Cheesy? No, it'll be fun and make it more fun. The next thing is commando hooks. Take stock in these bad boys. Every size, every color. Get them. You can always take it back if you don't open them. No, we cannot put any nails in the dorm walls or doors, so you will want commando hooks. Trust me. Power strip. Don't forget the power strip. And the last thing to bring as a parent, lots of snacks, cold water, and a change of clothes. Move-in day is stressful. You don't want to get hungry. You need to stay hydrated, especially in the Midwest with humidity, and a change of clothes in case you get dirty. You can change and then take your son or daughter out for a nice dinner after. Okay, that's what to bring as a parent. What to expect as a parent on move-in day? Lots of things. Number 1 is tears. Yes, I'm already expecting that about me, and I'm trying really hard to prepare against it. But if it happens, it happens. Tears of happiness, tears of joy, tears of sadness, it's okay. Number 2 is chaos. Expect it. If you expect chaos going into the day, you're going to be just fine. It's going to be very chaotic coming in and out of the room, deciding how they want their room set up and how you think it should be set up. And if other people are coming in and out of the room, it's going to be chaotic. Expect it and have fun. The 3rd thing is fear. Expect fear from you or your son or daughter. This is new. Exciting, yes, but new. And it's going to be fearful, so expect that. And number 4 is excitement. Again, things are new. It's exciting to get all set up and to see these new places and experience this with your family. That's what to expect as a parent. And the last thing as a parent, what do you do as a parent? Well, the first one I think is to be patient. As parents moving in your son or daughter to college, you must be patient with yourself and your child because this is new for all of you. So just be patient with them and give you guys self a break. Number 3 is do not, if you can help it, move in when the roommates are moving in. It's just too hard. The room is too small and not all of you can get everything done. It's just to avoid stress, try to schedule it when your roommates are not moving in. That will be very helpful. The 3rd thing is to be positive as parents. You can be positive and be excited. It's easy to have your own fears come in, but just to be positive. And the 4th thing, the hardest thing to do as a parent, is to be ready to leave when it's time to leave. This is probably when I will expect my tears to start. But it's really important that you prepare as a parent to be ready to leave and say goodbye. Your son or daughter has what it takes to make it. And now you get to say goodbye to them and watch them leave for this new chapter in their life. Whew, I'm not expecting the tears now, and here they come. So as parents, this is what you can be expected to bring on move-in day. This is what you can expect to feel on move-in day. And this is what you can expect to do on move-in day. And I hope that my expert friends are correct because we are preparing ourselves by this list to be ready to move in our son. Please like, share, and subscribe. to our channel and like and share this video, because I'm sure many of you are going through this or will go through it sooner than later, and you will be blessed, you will be helped like we have been to have this list and hopefully be more prepared to make your move-in a pleasant one. Until next time, be intentional about getting your son or daughter ready for college.